Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7th, 2024, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.33. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 142.65% since we first designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 35 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 4.08% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at $4.49 would indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 94% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 24% to 106%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 1.95% over the coming year, with potential returns varying between -70% and 7.77%. This means the anticipated price range could be between $1.25 and $4.54 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings reveals significant volatility in the stock price on Friday, which concluded trading at $4.21. On the last trading day, the stock price experienced a decline of 5.39%, dropping from $4.45 to $4.21. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 20.05%, reaching a low of $3.84 and a high of $4.61. In fact, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 58.27% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is typically a positive indicator as volume should align with price movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 43 million shares, with a total of 67 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $281 million and 11 cents. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $4.79, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price sits 12.11%, or 58 cents, below the 52-week high, and 73.88%, or $11.91, below the all-time high recorded on April 6, 2022, when it reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the ticker BBAI, is experiencing significant momentum, with its stock price skyrocketing by over 19% in a single trading day. This surge, following a week where it gained 23.4%, highlights the strong bullish sentiment surrounding the company. In 2024, the artificial intelligence market expanded rapidly, increasing from $136 billion to an estimated $184 billion, with projections to reach $827 billion by 2030. Additionally, BigBear.ai has recently secured a position on the U.S. General Services Administration's Oasis Plus contract, allowing the company to tender for projects across federal civilian and defense sectors. This strategic win not only enhances revenue prospects in the short term, but also bolsters investor confidence, typically contributing to stock price appreciation. Furthermore, market analysts have identified BBAI as a momentum stock, resonating with investors keen on capitalizing during a bullish market phase, particularly as the Federal Reserve shifts its policy. In the long term, this combination of strong performance in a growing artificial intelligence market and strategic government contracts positions BigBear.ai favorably, suggesting potential for further stock price gains as it continues to capture market share and innovate within the artificial intelligence landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating while also suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of $3.52 and $2.62. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the immediate short-term trajectory. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 5.39%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 53 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 54 days ago. If we examine the chart for the past 12 months, we observe short moving average, buy signal 38 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.67 and $3.39. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, BigBear.ai Holdings identifies support just below today's level at $3.67. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $3.39 and $3.38. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.77 between its highest and lowest points, which represents an increase of 20%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of nearly 20%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult times, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company shows consistently negative PE ratios, it may suggest ongoing profitability issues and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is projected for the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts are currently estimating a loss of 5 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.45. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $3.67. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as an advantageous entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of December, 2024, Long Amanda executed an insider sale of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the same date, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC conducted an insider sale of 6,075,697 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 19th of December, 2024, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC sold 153,250 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December, 2024, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC sold 5,313,090 shares of common stock. The day after, on the 17th of December, 2024, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC sold 2,574,535 shares of common stock. An analysis of the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 93.594. In total, insiders purchased 4,037,785 shares and sold 104,347,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.96, reflecting a decrease of 5.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which inherently increases the risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of December, we anticipate BigBear.ai Holdings to open at 1 cent and begin trading at $4.22. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.